Hey, what's up? How you doing today? You got a super handy Amazon wood chipper. It won't run, and somebody forgot to winterize it, like everybody does, seems like. Just tilt it back like this. Get your carburetor. Take this this drain screw out first. Get the old gas out. You can try and see if it'll start up with some starter fluid. Put some fresh gas in it, maybe some kind of cleaner like seafoam or something. You know, if it fires on with starter fluid, then you know you got spark, but the carburetor's gummed up, jammed up. So just take this float bowl, fuel bowl off of here with a 10mm wrench. A little bitty, it shouldn't be super tight. And you can see how funky, dirty it was down in the bottom there where that bad gas was sitting for so long. Then get a screwdriver about this size and put up in here, line it up with that jet. Good. Unscrew it. Make sure this sucker fits as best as, you know, get the best fit you can find. Sorry. I picked which flat blade fit the tightest in there, out of there. Unscrew that thing, it's brass. And there it is. It's tiny. Okay. There's the top. Here's the bottom. That's what you got to use a screwdriver on. I'm gonna see if I can focus and see that hole. Tiny. I couldn't see through there when I took it out at first. Then I cleared it with my smallest spare guitar string I had. I measured it, and that was about 16. The guitar string was about 16 thousandths of an inch. Sorry, I don't know what that is in monkey meters, but metric. But so the hole is a little bit bigger than that guitar string. So then just put it back up in there and put it back together. Some fresh gas, and it should run. So if this one doesn't run, I won't be uploading this video. So I'm using my old camera because apparently my storage is full on my iPhone. My hot off the press, brand spanking new like iPhone 8 in 2026, right? All right. Hope that helps. Take care. Have a good one.